got the class quiz number 8 rather, in front of us now, and we're going to impose an excise tax of 10 cents per liter on consumers, and we're going to have to move this tax line over onto the graph. But the first step is, you'll notice this is the situation before the tax. So we're going to can put this consumer price at about $1.01, and there's no difference between the consumer price and the consumer price, so we can put two prices here, and the quantity bought and sold is around 56 million liters. This is before the tax. Now the tax is going to create a wedge between the two. Now notice this is a tax that's imposed on consumers. That's the legal incidence of the tax, but as we'll see, can be possibly different from the economic incidence. So to impose the tax, we adjust it, and you can do this anywhere. You can do it over here, wherever you want to, but you'll notice that the vertical distance has to be 10 cents, and it can only fit in one particular place. The way to do it is to start here at the top on the demand curve, slide it down, and it will only fit in one place. It can't fit anywhere else. Can't twist it or bend it. It has to be vertical. There we have the 10 cents difference. So we know that the higher price is the price that consumers pay, which in this case happens to be about $1.05. And necessarily the producers are going to receive 10 cents less than this, which means they'll be receiving 95 cents. And as well, the amount of gasoline bought and sold is going to be lower because consumers are paying a higher price. Producers are receiving a lower price, and so you can see the quantity now after tax drops from 56 million down to 32 million. There's a 10 cent wedge between what consumers pay and producers pay. Ensure that, of course, the consumers pay a higher price than what producers receive. And we can compare this now with the price that existed before the tax. So you can see that there's a change. Consumers obviously pay more than what they used to pay, but in addition to that, the sellers receive less. So while the legal incidence may be that consumers are required to pay the tax, the economic incidence is something different, and that will depend on the shape of the supply and demand curves. These last questions down here are left to students to answer.